guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Crystal and I'm a part-time reseller on the Poshmark app under Brick Wall Shop, and I do all my sourcing, or most of my sourcing, online. And today I have another ThredUP box. This particular box is a 10 scarf box. It's $10. I got free shipping on it, and they've had a free shipping code up with the code RESCUE for a while, and that's the code I used. So if you see this video and it's still up, try it, because who doesn't want free shipping? Anyway, here's my box. I think it said it was about 3.5 pounds. I have never done a scarves box, but I figured they would be great things to bundle with other stuff that I have, and why not? It's $10 for 10 scarves. So open it. This is what it looks like, and here it says $10. You know, it's the holidays, so gift cards are here. And you know, lately I haven't had like nice tissue paper, but this is all like nicely done. So I know some people like to try to save this. Not me. Not very good at it. So let's see. Here we go. Alright. Sorry. First, this looks like a nice little silk-like scarf. The tag's cut off. I don't think it's probably anything special, but you know, I will still list it. This feels nice. Nice thin scarf. Oh, it's like a American flag, kind of Americana. I don't see a tag. I don't think they necessarily need to have tags. It just would be nice to know the brand, but anyway, I don't see tags on that. Next, oh, I think this would go well. It's soft, but it feels warm. The animal print is big right now. So, if you can see, but it's a nice, you know, anyway. And again, no tag. Next, this is a pretty print. Okay, let's see. It's about the same size as the last one. It's just a lighter weight one. Again, no tag. This next one feels like almost like a jersey cotton kind of one. This one does have a tag. It's from Target. Third quarter 2009. But it's just a simple brown scarf. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. I got something in my eye here. Next, this one is a jersey. Oh, it has like little flowers on it. And I don't see tags on it to tell me what brand it is, but it's cute. And the flowers are just on the one side. And this one is definitely like a jersey kind of material. Next, like these brown and gold. It's a pretty scarf. Oh, I found a tag. And just that it's polyester and made in China. Nothing else. But Next, this one has like sequins in it. And it's like at the, oh, and it's like an infinity scarf. And again, I don't see tags. I know personally, like, I don't like tags on my scarves either because they just get itchy around your neck. But this is cute. This actually looks like something probably sold in, it could be anywhere from Old Navy to J. Crew. Next, this one does have tags. It's a style number. Self-esteem. Self-esteem. Let's see. There's an RN number. I don't know this RN number off the top of my head, but I will look it up. So it can at least tell me the brand. But it has like little tassels on the end. It's cute. I think this is more than 10. What are we at? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Definitely more than 10. We have 9, 10, 11. So I got 12. So next is this little fringe at the end. This is cute. There's a tag. Again, I think that's it's cotton and modal, and it has the RN number. Again, I don't know that RN number. Looks the same as the last one, so I can look it up. But again, the fringe. Next is a floral one, again with the fringe at the end. And there's a tag. And there's an RN number again. Not one that I know. And this one has like where you can cut it off. But it's more of a square shaped. Next is this, it's like grayish with skulls on it. Like a very light gray. And it looks like it's an infinity scarf. Yes. Oh, nope, it's not. Just kidding. And no tags, but this is cute. I think somebody will like that. And finally, this box, this green one. Is this a scarf? This looks like a piece of fabric. Nope, it's an infinity scarf. This thing is huge though. You could wear this as a skirt if you tied it around your waist at the top. But I don't even see a seam and no tags. So this is interesting. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, hit subscribe down below. Hit that little bell so that you're notified. And ooh, what happened to the light? Sorry about that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this and stick around for more videos. I have more coming soon. I have another box from B&G coming tomorrow, and maybe I'll get something else besides this up before Christmas. I also have another video that I've recorded that I need to get up. So, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.